We improved the power test just a little bit, got a little more accurate way to measure. What we're doing, the whole point of this test is to see what kind of penetration the bullet has after it expands. So that's why we got the flower and the 3/8 board up front and the water jug. That's to get the bullet expanded, hits the water, and then we're going to see how many 1/4 inch boards behind it will take out. So there we go, we got 10. I don't think it's going to go through 10 after passing through this. Expanded. Now if it hadn't been expanded, yeah, it'll go through it, but I don't think it will. So that's going to be our first deal. So here we go. This is the power test. Alright, 6.5 Grendel Hornady Black, 50 yards, doing the power test 2.0 with the flower, the 3/8 inch board, get the bullet to expand, hit the water, and actually see if it will penetrate any of the 1/4 inch boards behind it. So, let's go. Alright. Alright, well, we blew it to the back. There's your water jug. 7. So we have penetration into 2 boards. 1 and 2. It's got a dent on the second board and a slight notch on the third. Alright, so here we go. After going through the flower and the 3/8 board, bullets expanded, blew up the jug, and we have basically, it technically really did not go even through the first board. It just plowed into it, and that was it, which caused a indentation on the second board and a slight ding on the third. And these are 1/4 inch boards, so milled down, that's 3/4 of an inch is probably milled down, 1/2 inch of wood. But that is interesting. So there's that. And the first board did damage to the second, and pretty much nothing on the third. And that is what is left of the bullet. Well, the tip just, I guess, blew up, sprawled out, and you still got a lead core in there. That's it. 6.5 Grendel Power Test 2.0.